right, this is the New Year's mystery package from Etchr. Again, it's big like the Christmas one was, or holiday one. So hopefully it will be just as good. Alright, so this is it. 3 exclusive surprises inside. Designed in Australia, made in China. I'm afraid to guess. I know the first one, the Christmas one, was so good. The holiday one was so good. I keep saying Christmas. But the Advent calendar really threw me. So. Alright, so how much is this? This was, I think, 119. Yes, 119. And they wrap it in that plastic bag. They wrap it with bubble wrap, and then they have this, which is like a waterproof kind of bag. So, oh, okay. Wow, right on top, Etchr Sketchbook, 7 by 10. So that's pretty. I like red. And it's oh, it's got deckled edges. Yeah, interesting. So it's cold press, and it's the vegan leather cover, very soft. Oh, and it says the perfect sketchbook. So I think the one I got in the holiday box was a landscape, and this is a portrait, which I like, but I would prefer it to be a little bit bigger. Make more art. And it's got 2 little llamas on it, and this is like embossed. Is that what it is? When it's scraped in, so it's like a texture, which is kind of cool. Ooh, oh, I love their paper. It's just dry as a bone when you touch it. Feels like it's sucking the life out of you when you touch it. There's no envelope in the back, but there's like a bookmark thing, and it's got the closure. 44 sheets, so 22 pages. 44 sheets. Opens flat, which I guess it does. It's very pretty. I like it. All right. Was everything wrapped last time? It seems like... Oh, we got more brushes. Okay. I like the other... Oh, I don't know if I like the other case better. Let's open this. And it looks like all this stuff comes with 30 days for their online class thing. All right. It's got the... Oh, it's got a different design on the inside. Oh, it's just a brush. There's no brushes. It's just a pouch. Okay. So the other one, I think it had little, it was either on the outside or the inside, and it had a little llama design all over it. It's kind of pretty, but I don't use these very often because I don't leave the house. All right. A couple of things. All right, when I open, what's this? Satchel. Oh, okay. Some nice strong Velcro on there. There's a little pocket. And then there's the zipper. Okay. I guess. Okay. And that opens to what is hard in here? There's something very, I don't know. I'm not sure. Is there instructions with this? And maybe it's just hard, like a hard surface, so that, you know, you can, I don't know, use it as a hard surface. That's another thing I'm not sure I'm going to have a lot of use for. But you can use this to, like, stick it there, and then you can carry it like a messenger bag kind of thing. Or you can do it sideways, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. It's okay, but it's not anything I would ever buy. I guess you could put pens in here, but you couldn't really fit brushes unless they were short. And the only explanation is it's like just for, you know, so you can make art anywhere. So I guess you could, if you had a small book, maybe put this fit in. Maybe. This barely fits in there. So, I don't know. I thought it was going to be so exciting, but maybe this stuff will be. What's this? A calendar. Oh, I'm already not happy about this. A calendar. It's February. It's February 2nd, and this is when I got it, so that's kind of annoying. Calendar. I mean, you can use the paper to paint on, but I won't. The design, I like the design, but I guess you set it up like that, maybe. So it's like a little triangle. You can put it on your desk. So there's like, whatever, 12 pages, and it's watercolor paper, so you could, you know, conceivably paint on it, but it's not anything. Oh, God, I hate this. I don't like this. I thought this was going to be good. I'm going to make everything so okay. Oh, okay, so there is some paint somewhere, so that's good. But watercolor greeting cards. Well, okay, it's February, so I'm going to save these till next year? It's like they didn't time anything correctly. I don't know. You'd think these would have gone in the December box or whatever. So, no watercolor. Some envelopes. Some heavy-duty envelopes, which is nice. And they say Etchr on them. And then you can make cards if you want. It's 100% cotton, cold press. So it's a heavy card, but again, this is something I wouldn't do. And we just got postcards on the last one. We got a ton of them. All right, let's see what this is. I like the little box it comes in. Maybe it's paint, please. Let it be something good. No? It's a palette, which is kind of cool, except it's plastic, which I don't particularly like. This is a magnet. I'd rather have, I don't like plastic. I'd rather have, but there's mixing trays that you have to put your, I thought I saw somewhere that it got paint. Is it, that's a llama pin, another one? Oh my God, this is the same one we got in the other box. Are you kidding? Exactly the same. This is the one I got in the holiday box, and this is what I got in the New Year's box. And that's the one I got a long time ago. I don't know if I'm going to be doing these anymore. I did order one more. I ordered the, I think it all has to do with, I can't believe this, is it paint? All right, at least there's some paint. I hope it's nothing, no, we'll have to try them. Okay, all right, they calmed me down a little bit, but I like the little boxes. You can hang it on your tree that you took down a month ago. All right, so, okay, so this, I'm not sure what you use these magnets for, unless you, I mean, they stick in there, don't they? Right? Yeah. Looks like a case for your retainer, your dentures. All right, I don't know. I don't like plastic, so I'd rather, they have a nice ceramic palette that I would have rather have had. All right, like a holiday box. Why does it say holiday box? It's supposed to be New Year's. Yes, this is disappointing. I'm telling you. All right, let's take these out. And I was going to paint and do something with it, but now I'm just like, these are going to be sparkly. Let me, what are the other ones I got? Because I wonder if these are the same. Okay, I think I have the other ones in here. Well, I only have a couple of them. I only have those 4 I've got. Oh, let's see if any of these are the same. Okay, well, we're safe on those. Or those were the 4 we got in the advent calendar. Okay, I found them. These were from the holiday box. And this is, there's 7, and there was 6 here. Royal Gold, which we have. So the only double is the Royal Gold. So I may as well do that one first. They didn't give us a brush this time. Wow, this stinks. The last one was so good. So, pure gold. So it's a little more on the orange side. Oh, that's why they gave us 7. Because they gave us 7 paints. So you could stick them in there. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. I mean, I like the case. I just don't like plastic because it never comes clean. I was so excited to come home and open this. And I don't know. We'll see what the next one brings, I guess. But it didn't seem like it sticks in there very well. But I guess if you keep the covers on top, they won't move. So, all right, this is Jade. But I guess they're all shiny again, which is fine. But I just don't tend to use shiny watercolor. I haven't been using watercolor at all lately, but certainly not the shiny kind. I mean, they're good for, you know, when you need them, but I don't know. I wish they'd come out with some non-metallic paints. This just seems like it was, I don't know, meant for another box or something. Or I wonder if, because I know somebody commented on my something. I think it was when I got the holiday box, and I think they mentioned getting a palette. So I wonder if that's what it was. I wonder if this is like they had 2 holiday boxes prepared and they called one New Year's and one just holiday, and I don't know. And when I ordered the next box, it's something like, I think it's for travel, because it says something like it's for being in motion or something. So you must get like a travel palette. I'll probably end up getting another one of these things, a travel palette. So I ordered it and I tried to use my coupon code. Remember in the advent calendar, you get $25 off if you bought something, and I wasn't going to buy anything, but I figured, well, if I'm signing up to get this box, maybe I can get, no, they wouldn't give it to me. They wouldn't let me use the $25 coupon, even though it was within the time limit. So that was annoying. It'd be even more annoying if the box is crappy. I mean, I don't know how long they've been doing this. It seems like I would have known about it. They'd had another mystery box before now, so maybe they just don't know what they're doing yet. I'll give them a little leeway, but I don't know. I mean, I got the same pen twice. I got one double in my paint. I got more cards I'm not going to use. A calendar I'm not going to. I do like the sketchbook. And the paints aren't bad. I think the paints are fine, but it's just not something I use. So this is copper. It's very chocolatey. I wouldn't call it copper. That's more coppery, I guess. Pearl. I don't know how well you're going to see it. Because it's white. Ruby. And satin bronze. That's more coppery, I would think. I don't think that ruby is as good as the other ones. Yeah, this one I would think more is copper. All right, those are the colors. I'm not going to paint anything. I'm just kind of, I don't know what to paint with them anyway. They're all sparkly. Except the ruby doesn't look all that sparkly. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, well, I don't know. They're okay, I guess. I don't know. This whole box is disappointing. I think I'm going to have a lot more scrap paper, although I do like the envelopes. They're very heavy. It's just going to be a huge pain. But you can't. Why can't I get this out? All right. I don't know what that's for. So put that like that. I guess you line them up to the holes, and then you can take these out as palettes. I mean, I like the idea of it, but I don't like plastic, and I wouldn't use it, so. Okay, and this doesn't fit in there, so you can't, like, you'd have to make another card and stick it in there, maybe, if you wanted. I don't know what these are for, so they drive me crazy. So just close that. So we got these, which is good if you make cards, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 5. Got this, which I don't know, I won't use. I love this. This is like the only thing I really love. A calendar. Is that it? I guess that's it. Oh, the pin. Yeah. I like this, but I'm not sure it's worth $119. Yeah, that's kind of stinky. disappointing. Anyway, so maybe they'll get themselves together at some point, or, you know, people are not going to want to buy these if it's going to be the same things in every box. Anyway, let me know what you think. If you got one, I feel bad for you. This calendar I'm not going to use. I'll probably just use the paper for something. Okay. So that's my disappointing box. I was so excited for this. So this week I was supposed to do the Michaels kits for gouache and watercolor, so I'll do that for next week. I guess that's it. All right, thanks for watching. And I will see you next week.